Welcome back to another video. Today we have, yes, the 12 amp hour and the 6 amp hour and a rapid charger is back in stock. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way to rest the platform by subscribes and likes. Big shout out to my man the Tool Boss. He's been really good with these deals, so he's the one that posted this. Make sure you guys go ahead and to his channel and subscribe. So we got a 12 amp hour and a rapid charger. If you guys don't know what a rapid charger is, one of the fastest chargers they can have. It's not the fastest, but it is one of the faster ones. Definitely check it out. This is the better batteries that you could get with this platform, Milwaukee, the 6 and the 12. Definitely great batteries. $249, guys. Go get them. I know they sold out last time, so don't think about it. Just buy it because they will sell out. It's $255 at Norwalk. So yeah, like I said, go get them. I'll leave the link down below on the description section. And that's just my brother right there that I just sent him this deal. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.